Need a faster way to control OBS without constantly switching back to your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to use OBS Blade from start to finish. We'll connect it to OBS Studio, explore the main controls, and go over the features you'll actually use while streaming or recording. First, make sure OBS Studio is already installed and running on your computer. OBS Blade connects through the OBS WebSocket feature, so you usually don't need to install anything extra. Next, open the WebSocket server settings inside OBS. Enable the server, create a password if one isn't already set, and note the server address along with the port number. You'll need these details in just a moment. Now open OBS Blade on your phone or tablet. Tap Add Connection, then enter your computer's local IP address, the port number, and the password you created. Make sure both devices are connected to the same network, then tap Connect. Once connected, you can control many parts of OBS directly from your mobile device. You can start or stop streaming, begin recordings, switch between scenes, mute audio sources, adjust volume levels, and even monitor stream statistics. Depending on your setup, you may also have chat integration and additional controls available. Before you go live, just test each control to confirm everything responds correctly in OBS Studio. If the app doesn't connect, double-check that both devices are on the same network, the WebSocket server is enabled, and the IP address, port, and password are all correct. And that's how to use OBS Blade. Once it's connected, controlling your stream becomes much easier without staying glued to your computer. If this guide helped you, be sure to check out our other OBS tutorials for more streaming tips.